Welcome to our video on how to make healthy changes to your diet. In today's fast-paced world, it's vital to prioritize our health and well-being. In this video, we'll focus on a specific aspect of a healthy diet, incorporating more fruits and vegetables. So, let's dive into the benefits of nutritious additions to our daily meals. Eating more fruits and vegetables. Benefits of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Let's explore some of the benefits they offer. 1. Nutritional powerhouses. Fruits and vegetables are nutritional powerhouses, delivering a wide range of vitamins and minerals necessary for our body's optimal functioning. They are rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as minerals like potassium, magnesium, and folate. 2. Fiber for digestive health. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of dietary fiber that aids digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes a feeling of fullness, which can aid in managing weight. 3. Antioxidants and disease prevention. Many fruits and vegetables contain antioxidants, which protect our body cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease, certain cancers, and age-related conditions. 4. Hydration and skin health. Did you know that fruits and vegetables can contribute significantly to your hydration? They are also rich in water content, which helps keep your skin hydrated, healthy, and glowing. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in improving your overall health. Stay tuned for more videos on making healthy choices and living your best life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Until next time. Thank you for watching.